Looking for the coolest gadgets on Amazon? We've got you covered. Join us as we review the top tech to make your life easier and more fun. Let's explore. Need a PEX crimper that's both convenient and reliable? Look no further than the superior tool 07100 PEX Pocket Crimper. This compact steel-gray tool is a game-changer for PEX installations. Designed to crimp all three common PEX sizes, this pocket-sized powerhouse eliminates the need for multiple bulky tools. Its small form factor means it fits easily in your toolbox, tool belt, or even your pocket, ensuring you always have it ready when you need it. Meeting stringent ASTM F1807 standards, this crimper guarantees professional-grade, leak-free crimps every single time. The kit includes everything you need: the crimper itself, a convenient storage pouch, a precise gauge for accurate measurements, and easy-to-follow instructions for hassle-free use. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Looking for a cordless screwdriver that's both powerful and easy to use? The ENERTWIST 8-volt cordless screwdriver is designed with you in mind. Its upgraded 8-volt motor delivers 88 pounds of max torque for a wide range of tasks, and the manual mode provides that same level of torque for ultimate control. The 21+1 clutch settings give you precise control for everything from delicate screw driving to light drilling in wood, plastic, and light gauge metal at a no-load speed of 230 RPM. The 1/4-inch hex chuck allows for quick bit changes and accommodates standard 1-inch bits. Powered by a 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery, you can drive up to 300 mm 4x40mm screws on a single charge. Impressive performance for a cordless screwdriver. The adjustable dual-position handle lets you switch between inline and pistol grip configurations, and the separate LED light switch provides targeted illumination. At just 11 inches long and weighing less than 1.13 pounds, it's comfortable and portable. ENERTWIST also offers a 2-year quality service for added peace of mind. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Searching for the perfect gift for the DIY enthusiast or woodworker in your life? Look no further than Kreg Tools. We offer a range of innovative tools designed to make home improvement and woodworking projects easier and more enjoyable. Our pocket hole joinery systems are a game changer, allowing anyone to create strong, seamless joints with ease. With quick material thickness setup, sturdy construction, and a lifetime drill guide warranty, you can be confident in the quality and durability of our tools. Whether tackling indoor furniture or outdoor projects, Kreg tools are designed for versatility and ease of use. Features like an anti-slip base, adjustable spacing, and a foolproof setup ensure accurate and professional results every time. At Kreg Tools, we're passionate about helping woodworkers bridge the gap between their vision and the finished product. Give the gift of precision and craftsmanship with premium Kreg tools. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Looking for a comfortable and practical creeper? This one's got some smart features. The ergonomic design includes a built-in shoulder recess, which provides extra support as you ease back onto the padded headrest, a real plus for those longer jobs. Measuring 40-inch long and 19-inch wide, with 6 3-inch diameter swivel caster wheels, it's easy to maneuver. It's also surprisingly strong, boasting a 350 pounds load capacity, and comfortably accommodates most users. Despite its sturdy, heavy-duty ABS plastic construction, it's lightweight at just 13 pounds. The impact-resistant design adds to its durability and ensures comfortable use. Plus, handy side pockets keep your tools and bolts within easy reach. The low-profile design also provides excellent clearance under vehicles. If you need a reliable and comfortable creeper, this one is worth checking out. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Installing cabinet hinges can be a real headache, but this jig makes it surprisingly easy, no more guesswork. The drill guide, with its sturdy metal bushing, locks securely into the jig, guaranteeing a perfectly straight hinge cup hole every time. Plus, built-in guide bushings let you pre-drill pilot holes in 4 common locations, ensuring your hinges are aligned and your doors close smoothly. They even include the 1/16" drill bit for these pilot holes, a nice touch. Setting the cup hole depth is a breeze too. The included 35mm drill bit has built-in depth setting fixtures on both sides of the jig, so you get consistent, accurate holes. And here's a clever feature. The hinge marking guide detaches from the bottom of the jig, allowing you to easily transfer and mark center lines and hinge locations onto the cabinet wall or frame. This jig takes the frustration out of hinge installation and delivers professional-looking results. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Looking for the perfect gift for the DIY enthusiast or woodworker in your life? Kreg Tools has you covered. Their ingenious double-sided drill and driver bit is a real game changer. This handy tool drills pilot holes, creates counterbores, and drives Kreg screws for rock-solid joints all in one. The quick-release double-ended design makes switching between drilling and driving a snap. It's perfect for a variety of projects, from attaching false fronts to creating sturdy corner joints. It's specifically designed to work seamlessly with Kreg ENERTWIST square drive screws, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Kreg Tools is all about helping woodworkers bridge the gap between their vision and the finished product. This drill driver bit is a prime example of their commitment to innovative, user-friendly tools that make woodworking easier and more enjoyable. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Looking for perfectly placed screws every time? This adjustable dimpler clutch is a game changer. With 4 depth settings, you can precisely control how deep your screws go. Whether you're working with drywall, decking, particle board, or plywood, no more guesswork or uneven finishes. It comes with a specialized drywall bit designed for quick and clean drywall screw installation. Say goodbye to frustrating screw placements. This bit ensures a smooth and professional finish. The best part? This versatile attachment works with most drills, instantly turning them into a screw gun. No need to buy a separate tool. Just attach it to your existing drill and you're ready to go. Whether you're a DIYer tackling a home renovation or a pro on a job site, this screw gun attachment delivers consistent results across various materials. Plus, the built-in magnetic screw holder keeps screws securely in place, preventing drops and making your work faster and safer. It's a must-have for any toolbox. Now, let's discuss a useful tool. The Doverman MCS01A portable circular saw is a handy choice. It comes with 6 saw blades, 2 for wood, 2 for metal, soft plastics, and 2 for tile. Switching between materials is as simple as swapping the saw blades. This compact saw boasts a laser guide and an integrated edge guide for straight, precise cuts. Additional metal handles can be attached to either side, and the larger 3.5 by 9.5 inch base provides excellent stability. Adjusting the bevel angle is easy in just 2 simple steps. You can achieve a maximum cutting depth of 1 to 3/8 inches at a 45-degree bevel angle. For straight cuts, the adjustable depth lever lets you cut up to 1 to 11/16 inches. The dual-action power switch prevents accidental starts. Plus, it's compatible with a shop vacuum for dust collection. Doverman MCS01A comes with everything you need. Now let's discuss a useful tool. This U-Cove torque wrench is a lifesaver for anyone who needs to tighten things up precisely. It's compact and works in both directions, making it easy to tackle jobs from delicate repairs to heavy-duty tasks. The wrench has a wide range of torque settings to handle most jobs you throw at it. The high-contrast scale is easy to read, and it's pre-calibrated for accuracy, so you can trust that you're getting the job done right. Made with a durable chrome moly steel head and a comfortable aluminum handle, this wrench is built to last. The handle wipes clean easily and resists rust, so you can keep it looking good for years to come. Plus, the quick-release button and 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism make working with this wrench a breeze. Overall, the U-Cove torque wrench is a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and easy-to-use tool for tightening things up. It's accurate, versatile, and built to last. What more could you ask for? Now let's discuss a useful tool. Need a versatile vise for your projects? This one's a winner. It can be bolted to a workbench or clamped on, making it super adaptable, perfect for any workspace. The quick release button is a game changer. Just press and push the jaws together for fast positioning, no tedious screw turning needed. This also ensures precise clamping every time. The 360-degree swivel base gives you total flexibility for working at different angles. Plus, the smooth guide rail makes adjusting the screw and handle effortless. With a 2.5-inch max jaw opening, 3.3-inch jaw width, and a 4-inch base clamping range, it handles various thicknesses. Ideal for home, workshop, or professional use, it's great for everything from woodworking and cutting to drilling, gluing, metalworking, sanding, sawing, and more. Built from tough cast steel with a protective coating, it's designed for durability and a smooth feel. The hardened jaws provide a super strong, reliable grip that will last. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Looking for perfect wood joints every time? This self-centering dowel jig is your answer. It makes creating accurate butt, miter, and edge joints a breeze. Ideal for building shelves, cabinets, desks, tables, repairing doors, or installing railings. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy with a solid, hardened steel center block, this jig is built for strength and longevity. Laser-engraved markings on the guide and clamp blocks ensure precise positioning and drilling without wear. A large steel clamping screw secures your workpiece like a vise, preventing damage and easily adjusting to different board thicknesses, including both flat boards and round stock. Offering 5 drill sizes, this jig handles various mortise and tenon joint sizes. 4 drill guide holes along the top provide versatile drilling options. 2 accept 7/16-inch and 1/2-inch drill bits directly, while the other 2 use replaceable steel bushings. The kit includes the silver dowel jig, an instruction manual, and 6 hardened steel drill bushings.